Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to get a dynamic face in Roblox. So firstly, we'll head to the search panel of Windows. In here we'll type Roblox Player. Now click on Open. Let the Roblox Player app load properly. After it has loaded, from the left hand side of your screen you have to click on the More button. From there you'll go to the Marketplace section. Now on the top hand side of your screen you will see all types of different items from the marketplace like characters, clothing, accessories, heads, animations. We have to click on the heads menu. From here you'll find that there are many faces that are dynamic and also free. You can just choose any one of them you want, so I'll just choose this one. Then click on the free. Then click on get. Now the face is purchased by me, and if I go to the customize section, then go to head, you can see that the head is currently in my inventory and I can use it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.